In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing just by using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. I made $12,295 in commission just in 22 days, okay, as you can see over here in this month of September. And just last month, I made $17,325 and it's paid. This is my invoice, okay, from affiliate marketing using free traffic. So in today's video, I will share with you my methods, my strategies, step by step. I will make this video super easy for you guys, and let's get started. So for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic, step number one, go to Google and search for this website, okay? For people who are new to my YouTube channel, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link over here and you will be directly in this page over here. So you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down and go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because they are really paying a high and good profitable commissions, okay? And so what you will do next, you just need to click on join now like this, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And what you will do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, choose no, okay? And choose your country from here. Search for your country and choose your language, okay? If you have also Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. You guys can see that the sign up process is super easy. Anyone can sign up. It will take just few minutes from your time, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. So you should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, and so on, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to choose good and profitable services that you will promote using free traffic to earn commissions. And I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate service that I'm promoting right now as an affiliate marketer using free traffic. So step number two, what you will do next, you will go back to your home page, go back to your Fiverr homepage. Let me show you to this homepage like this, okay? And click over here on the search and search for video editor or video editing. Search for this service like this. Just search for this one, and I want you to pay a close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. So you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. What you will do as an affiliate marketer, you need to choose good sellers. You can choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews, because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check if the feedback of those sellers, they will check the reviews. If they find those sellers are good sellers, they will give it a try. They will buy this service from you and you will earn commission, okay? So I'm gonna choose one. So for example, I will choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. It has almost 5-star, over 1000 reviews. This service starting from just $10. A lot of people can pay for this one, which is really good. So I will click on this service like this. Just click on the service that you want to use and you will be directly in this seller profile page. And as you can see guys, this seller has 13 orders in queue, and you guys can see how many people paid for this service. It's over 1000 people paid for this one, and it's working. People are still buying those services because video editing is very important for people who are making content for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and so much more. It's very important to use this service if you want to get your content, to make your content good, and to get more views, more subscribers, and grow your account, like on YouTube, on TikTok, Instagram, and so on. Okay, so I want you to pay attention. What you will do next, you just need to copy the link of this seller from here. Copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have your dashboard and you have marketing tools. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. What you will do next, click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link using free traffic, and I will show you how we can find people who will be interested to buy this service from you. So step number 3, what you will do next, you will go back to your Facebook homepage. Open your Facebook homepage. All of you guys have a Facebook account. Just open your Facebook account like this, click on the search for editor. Okay, search for editor like this. Pay attention, you have here filters. Scroll down and click on groups like this. Click on groups, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups about video editing that you need to join. For public groups, even if you didn't join those groups, you guys can still use those groups. But for private groups, like this one is private, you need to join those groups. Okay, but you can focus on public groups, or also it's for free. You can join those groups. Just click on join and join all those groups. So what you will do next, let's pick for example the first group. I will click on this group like this. Just click on the group that you want to use, scroll down, and here you go. You should find a lot of people here who are searching for video editor. Here is a person looking for short and long form video editor with 1 year experience. This person is searching for video editor. Okay, let's scroll down. We can find more. Here is another person. I need best professional video editor. Okay, you guys can see we have people who are interested to buy video editing service. So what you will do next, you will click on this. So let's choose for example this person. I will click on his name and I will click over here on message. So I will send a professional and friendly message to this person who is searching for video editor service with my affiliate link, of course. So what I will do, I need to create a professional and friendly message. So I will use ChatGPT. You guys can go to Google, search for ChatGPT. It's for free, it's easy, and it's simple. All you have to do is you just need to sign up by using your email address, and after you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on message and ask him to create a friendly and professional message that I can send to people on Facebook groups. Okay, to buy my Fiverr, to buy editing, to buy video editing. Okay, to buy video editing service from my Fiverr affiliate link. And that's it. You just need to ask him to create like this message, and here you go. You guys can see you have a professional and friendly message that you can send to those people who are searching for video editors on Facebook groups. You guys can see, if you are looking to take your videos to the next level, I got something excited for you. I'm recommending an amazing video editing service that I can help that can help you create professional and engaging content for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and more. That's amazing. So what you will do, guys, you just need to copy this message. Okay, copy this message like this and go back to Facebook and put this message here to this person. You guys can see here we have this part where we will put our Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, to your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard, to this account. And you guys, if you guys just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you guys can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. All you have to do, you just need to copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same, and you guys can see this affiliate link is too much long. I like to make it short link. So for me, I'm using this website. It's not important, but for me, I like to make it looking good and professional and branding. So you guys can use Bitly if you want to make your affiliate link short link. You just need to put your affiliate link here and click on create, and your affiliate link will be short link like this. Okay, so you will copy your affiliate link from here. You will go back to Facebook and you will put your affiliate link here, and here you go, click on send, and your message will be sent to this person with your affiliate link, to this person who is searching for video editor. You guys can see our affiliate link will be sent like this with this professional and friendly message. So if this person is still searching for video editor, he will reach out to you. You need to explain to him why he needs to buy the service, why this is, and this seller is good seller. You guys need to learn marketing so you can convince people to buy those services from you. You guys can make your first, that's how I made my first $1,000 with affiliate marketing using just Facebook groups. This is the method that I'm using. Okay, I just talked with those people. I search for people who are searching for services. I go to Fiverr, I search for those sellers who can provide those services, and I go and I create a professional message. I send this message to this person, to those people. They will reach out to me. I explain to them that this seller will help them to grow their account, even maybe YouTube or Instagram or TikTok. They will get more views, more subscribers, and they will grow their businesses. They will make more money. So it's win-win. Okay, and I choose for them good sellers, and that's it. You guys can provide your you can, for example, you can present yourself as for example as like if you have a team. Okay, those people who are working on Fiverr, it's like they are your teams. Okay, and you guys can talk with those people, explaining to them why those services are very important to grow their businesses. And you guys, if you use this method, you can make a lot of money. And I have also one more thing that I want to say. You guys don't need to send the same message to a lot of people. Maybe your account can maybe Facebook will stop you for sending like those message if you keep sending the same message. The problem is this: if you keep sending like this one, the same message to people, this system, the algorithm and system of Facebook will attract that you are sending the same message. So they they will think it's like you are a robot, and they will stop you from sending message. So that's the problem that you guys do. Don't send the same message to those people. Use different message. Okay, and that's it. Use different sellers, use different services. You have a lot, and you have a lot of different messages that you can send, and that's it. So this is the method that I'm using. That's how we can make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing as a beginner with free traffic. And that's it. This is my methods, and that's how I make like those commissions every single month. Okay, like this. And last month I earned this amount and it's paid. This is my invoice, as you can see, guys, and that's it. So for people who are interested, and for those people who keep asking me if I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. And for people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email in my description of this video, and I'm really very happy to help you step by step and guide you and uh, show you step by step how you can do it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.